Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back with another one. It's Halloween, so a big happy Halloween to you if you celebrate Halloween. Halloween's a bit of a special day for me. It's my birthday, so we got a birthday edition going on here today. And we have something a little bit different, so this will be the first for the show. So without further ado, let's get to this. Boo. My little fancy 2-second art on the box here. Let's open her up. Got the Bark River Gunny Hunter out here. Super sharp. Believe you guys are gonna like this. And it's gonna be a good one for, look at all these beautiful peanuts. Peanuts, yeah, let's dump them everywhere. There's what we want. You see that? Uh-oh. What is this? Popcorn? Is that some trick-or-treat popcorn? Never seen that before. From GPK Knives. We got some popcorn. Get the receipt off here. Uh-oh, there we go. There we are, guys. There's our product for the video. You ready? Yeah. Here we go, Spyderco. I couldn't think of a better thing for Halloween than a Spidey. Set that over there. Come on, come out of there. There we go. Check that out. This is really cool. Check that. A folder, I guess you would call this a folder. I'm not sure what they call this. Not quite a slip joint, but it's not quite a folder, a locking folder anyway. It's got this little deal here and it just pops just like that. I wonder if, does it, no, it's not a one open like that. There she is. Gotta look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Feels great too. Nice. It's kind of light, but it's got a little weight up on the blade there. Check this out here. We got some shadows going on here. Italy. Let's see here. Check the box out here. P.I.T.S blue pen. Very cool. Trying to give you the name of this here. I don't even see this. P.I.T.S blue titanium folder. So that's what we have working here. I wasn't even exactly sure of the name of it. Whoop, about dropped it and about cut myself. Pretty cool knife. Pretty cool. I like it. Got a nice, like, it feels like a detent there. It's got a nice little action there to it. Very cool. Let's take a look all around her here. Check that blade center. Looks like it's, yeah, it's off a little bit. Let me get situated here. Yeah, it's off just a little there. I don't know if that can be fixed with the pivot there. That action feels great though. It's good. It's kind of pops into place there. So that's something a little different for the channel. Let me know what you guys think about that. I tell you, I would carry it. This one ain't mine, but I would definitely carry that. That is a nice knife right there. Very nice. Got the wire clip, pocket clip on it. Looks like it's set up for just about deep carry right there. Very nice. Blue titanium. Very nice. Great looking knife. Feels great in the hand. That feels solid. Yep. Feels great. Thought it was a flipper there with that little piece sticking out right there, but nope. I don't know. Nah, you can't flip it either, no. Very nice. Well, I thought we'd do that one for the day. That's a little something different there for the channel. And it's Halloween, and like I said, my birthday, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And you folks that celebrate Halloween, have a happy Halloween and a safe one, guys. Don't eat too much candy, and don't do too much trick-or-treating. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hillbilly over and out of here. Peace.